Today we will try to synchronize sound from two different sources with the video. We can do it manually, but this is not a guaranteed method. So we will do it automatically. Where do we use this? Let me talk about that. Now I am getting sound from two different sources. One is this device that takes the video and also records the sound. The other is the microphone that I used to record more professional sound. The video camera records the video. That's where I get the sound from. So you need to synchronize the video from the camera with the sound from the microphone I'm recording with. Let's see how we do this in Premiere. I immediately created a new project in Premiere and transferred both the sound from the camera and the sound I recorded with the microphone. Now I will show you how to synchronize these two as I mentioned. For this, I select both objects, that is both sounds. Of course, it is important that the sound here is linked to the video on top, that it is integrated. After selecting the two sounds, I right-click and select Synchronize, and a window will appear. I select the bottom option. I select Audio, the sound, and here I select Mix Down. Click OK. After I click OK, the sound waves here match and overlap each other. So the sounds are synchronized in this way. As you can see, this space here is also like this space here. As you can see, it's a much better sound than the camera's microphone. So we might want to use audio from different sources in this way. What do we do next? Delete this sound here. I don't need to use this audio. I right-click and select Unlink. The video and the sound are separated. I select the audio and I press Delete. And I move this up. And now I select these two and right-click and click Link again so that they are now connected with each other. That's all for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.